Hey everyone, welcome back to English language class. Class 5 Module 2. Topic is make a purchase. Learning objectives. By the end of this lesson, students will be able to ask about prices and make a purchase politely. Use shopping-related vocabulary, receipt, cashier, change, etc. Apply shopping idioms naturally in conversations. Role-play real-life store situations, asking, paying, reacting to prices.
Build confidence in speaking about buying and selling.
Making a purchase.
Customer. Excuse me, how much is this t-shirt?
Shop assistant. It's $25. Customer. Can I pay by card? Shop assistant. Sure. Do you need a bag? Customer. Yes, please. Thank you. Shop assistant. Here you go. Have a nice day. Dialogue 2 at shoe store. Customer. I'd like to buy these shoes. Do you have them in size 9? Shop assistant. Let me check. Yes, here they are. Customer. Great. How much do they cost? Shop assistant. They're $60. Customer. Okay, I'll take them. Vocabulary and special terms. Idioms related to shopping and purchase. Pause and note these down. Dialogues using vocabulary and idioms. Customer. How much is this jacket? Shop assistant. It's $120. Customer. Wow, that's expensive. It might break the bank. Shop assistant. True, but it's very high quality. You'll get your money's worth. Customer. Okay, I'll take it. Can I pay by card? Dialogue 4. Customer. I saw this bag online for $100. How much is it here? Shop assistant. It's $150 in store. Customer. Oh, that costs an arm and a leg. Shop assistant. We do have a sale corner where you can pick up a bargain. Customer. Great. Let's check that out. Your turn now. Pause the slides and read the role play aloud. Pause if needed, complete the sentences accordingly, and write WH questions related to the given role play. Pause when needed. As promised, I'm sharing a role-play activity. Practice it at home with your siblings or friends.